Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best field camera is probably one of the most versatile tools a photographer can add to their arsenal, offering unparalleled flexibility and image quality for capturing stunning shots in any environment, from rugged outdoor adventures to intimate indoor settings. Whether you're a seasoned professional seeking to expand your creative horizons or an enthusiastic amateur looking to elevate your photography game, this camera is designed to meet your diverse needs with its robust construction, advanced features, and exceptional performance, ensuring every click of the shutter results in a masterpiece. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dashcam. Experience your drives in breathtaking 4K UHD with the front camera and crisp 1080p with the rear. Its advanced sensors and wide-angle views ensure clear footage, day or night, even in low light. Stay focused on the road with intuitive voice commands for hands-free operation. The smart touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking footage or turning on Wi-Fi with just a tap. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone for rapid 20 MB downloads and real-time sharing. Built-in GPS accurately records your location, speed, and route for every journey. Never worry about running out of space with seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest files. A built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically saves critical footage. Keep your vehicle protected even when parked. It automatically records collisions or motion, and offers time-lapse mode for a condensed overview of events. Get set up quickly with easy installation using the included tools. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. This dashcam offers stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording with advanced night vision. It features voice control for safe, hands-free operation and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick downloads. If you prioritize crystal clear footage, easy control, and rapid file transfer, this is the one for you. It's perfect for drivers who want comprehensive documentation of their journeys and quick sharing capabilities. What people say. The camera is very easy to set up and use. The picture quality is excellent, even in low light conditions. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 4. EUFY Security SoloCam S220. Introducing the EUFY Security SoloCam S220, a wireless outdoor security camera with stunning 2K resolution. Enjoy continuous power and peace of mind with no subscription fees. Never worry about charging again. With just 3 hours of sunlight daily, its battery stays full, ensuring it's always ready to protect your home. See everything, day or night, with exceptional clarity. Its advanced lens and infrared LEDs provide excellent night vision, capturing every detail. Installation is a breeze thanks to its compact, wire-free design. Mount it anywhere with just one hole, and it's ready to go. Receive intelligent alerts for any person detected in your yard. Connect it to Homebase 3 for advanced facial recognition to distinguish between family and strangers. Enjoy complete security without the worry of monthly fees. This device offers a one-time purchase with built-in storage and AI for ultimate transparency. What we like. This wireless security camera offers continuous power through solar charging, eliminating battery worries. It captures clear 2K video day and night and has no monthly fees, making it a cost-effective solution. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, low-maintenance outdoor surveillance system that provides excellent image quality without ongoing costs, this is an ideal choice. It's great for homeowners who want reliable security without the hassle of frequent charging or subscription plans. What people say. The camera is very easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The picture quality is excellent, with clear and sharp images even in low light conditions. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 3. Neewer F100 7-inch Field Monitor. Discover the Neewer F100, a 7-inch external field monitor designed to enhance your video shooting experience. Its ultra-thin design and IPS panel offer a wide view angle and crisp HD resolution. With an HD 1280 by 800 resolution, 450 nits of brightness, and a 1200:1 contrast ratio, it delivers clear and vibrant images. The 16:10 aspect ratio is perfect for capturing your scenes. This monitor supports a wide range of video formats, including 1080p and 720p, ensuring compatibility with your camera's output. It handles various resolutions from interlaced to progressive. Reduce unwanted noise with its dedicated button for cleaner audio. It's compatible with a variety of filmmaking gear, and the included sunshade ensures visibility even in bright sunlight. Take control of your shots with advanced features like peaking focus assist, check field, pixel to pixel, and various safe frames. Image flip and freeze functions offer further creative flexibility. The package includes everything you need to get started: the monitor, HDMI cables, a sunshade, a mini ball head, an AV cable, and a user manual. Please note that batteries are sold separately. What we like. This external field monitor boasts a large 7-inch HD IPS display with excellent brightness and contrast, making it ideal for precise video work. It comes equipped with advanced monitoring tools like peaking focus assist and check field, aiding in professional shooting. If you're a filmmaker or videographer who needs a clear, detailed view of your shots and advanced features to ensure perfect focus and exposure, this monitor is a valuable addition to your rig. It's perfect for those who demand accuracy and control during production. What people say. The camera has a 1080p HD resolution for clear images. It features a 120-degree field of view to capture a wide area. The device is equipped with infrared night vision for low-light conditions. Number 2. WOSPORTS Mini Trail Camera. Experience stunning clarity with our trail camera. It captures high-resolution 24MP photos and crisp 1080p videos, ensuring you don't miss any action in the wild. Designed to be small and lightweight, this device is incredibly easy to carry and conceal. Its optimized design makes setup and operation a breeze. With low power consumption, it runs on just 4 AA batteries. This means you can leave it in the field for longer periods without frequent battery changes. Installation is straightforward. Just use the included strap to mount it, aiming for a height of 3 to 4 feet, or adjust based on the animals you wish to observe. The default settings are perfect for most wildlife monitoring needs, making it user-friendly right out of the box. Mounting is simple with the provided accessories. Equipped with night vision, it captures clear images even in low-light conditions. Monitor wildlife activity around the clock without interruption. This camera is waterproof and built to withstand various outdoor conditions. Rely on it for durable and consistent wildlife monitoring, no matter the weather. What we like. This mini trail camera is designed for easy concealment and boasts incredibly low power consumption, allowing for extended field deployment on just 4 AA batteries. It captures sharp 24MP photos and 1080p videos with a fast trigger time. If you need a discreet and long-lasting camera for wildlife monitoring that won't drain batteries quickly, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for hunters or nature enthusiasts who want to observe wildlife without disturbing their natural behavior. What people say. The camera is easy to set up and use, with a user-friendly interface. It captures clear and detailed images, even in low-light conditions. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 1. WOSODA 36MP 1920p Trail Camera. Capture your outdoor adventures in incredible detail. This camera delivers breathtaking 36MP photos and crystal-clear 1920p videos, bringing every moment to life. With an ultra-fast 0.2-second trigger, you won't miss any action. It's perfect for capturing fleeting moments of wildlife or observing natural processes over time. Get a wider perspective with its 120-degree detection range and an impressive 80-foot IR flash. It ensures you see more of what's happening, day or night. Easily review your captured images and videos right on the camera. The vibrant 2.0-inch color LCD screen provides a clear and complete view. Operating this device is a breeze. With features like time switches, timers, and timestamps, you can easily customize its settings for your specific needs. Don't let the elements stop you. This camera is built to withstand the outdoors, ensuring reliable performance in any weather condition. What we like. This game camera delivers exceptional detail with its 36MP photos and 1920p videos, ensuring you capture every nuance of wildlife activity. Its incredibly fast 0.2-second trigger speed guarantees you won't miss any action, and the 120 degrees wide sensor provides a broad view. If you're looking for a trail camera that offers superior image quality and lightning-fast response to capture fleeting moments, this is the one. It's perfect for serious wildlife enthusiasts and researchers who need the best possible data. What people say. The camera has a very clear and sharp image quality, capturing fine details even in low light conditions. Its durable construction makes it suitable for outdoor use, withstanding various weather elements effectively. The user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and quick adjustment of settings, making it accessible for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.